Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid all-wheel drive XLE. It's a 4-door, 8-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a sleek midnight black metallic. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine that uses hybrid synergy technology to offer better fuel economy and improved torque. Included in your XLE is also your navigation as well as your backup camera, plus your heated beige leather interiors to tie everything together. Helping you into your hybrid is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock up these doors, and the key in my pocket now, you're going to run your hand across the handle and it'll unlock for you. Really nice convenience feature to have so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. And check out that sweet two-tone interior that just adds that elegant touch. You have your power windows and your power locks as well as your power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your fully automatic high beams, your power liftgate, and your heated mirrors. Your Highlander comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And you also have a power adjustable driver's seat. Your passenger side is also power adjustable so that everyone is driving in the ultimate comfort. And the real showstopper of your Highlander is your stunning beige leather interiors that really just add that extra style to keep you turning heads. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. Definitely going to be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your hybrid with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button there. Because it's a hybrid model, your battery is going to start up with that cool welcome screen, and then your engine will start up right after. Taking a look at that cool ambient lighting, you also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important page on your information display is your Toyota Safety Sense features, so you can set the lane departure alert, its sensitivity of the sensor. You can also turn on and off the steering assist. You do have your pre-collision system as well, your blind spot monitor as part of your star safety system. And it's all controlled from your steering wheel mounted controls, which you also have your volume control, your mode changers, your intuitive voice command, as well as your hands-free calling. On the side here, you have that manual lane departure alert button, as well as your dynamic radar cruise control. You can set your cruise control from below there. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. Opening up those applications, you have your navigation system, a very user-friendly system to have, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address and see how it works for you. Opening up your audio system, you have your AM/FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, opening up your applications again, you do have your driver easy speak, which is nice, especially if you have a full vehicle. You can simply turn it on and you can easily hear your voice from the back. Turning that off now and shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera pops up on your LCD screen as well. A great safety feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Taking a look at your climate control now, you have a tri-zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger, and turn on the rear passenger control. You do have the rear passenger climate control on the back of your center console, so the passengers back there can set everything for themselves as well. You do have your electronic climate control with the option to sync and your air conditioning to keep everyone nice and cool during those hot summer months. You have your open shelving unit with this removable piece, so you can run all your cords below, where you'll find your 12-volt DC charger, your USB charging, and your USB auxiliary input. You also do have your traction control as well as your different drive modes. As part of your hybrid, you also do have your leather trim on your shift knob. You have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, as well as those cup holders for that morning coffee. A nice split design for your center console. You have your 12-volt DC charger inside for your iPad if you are using your vehicle for work. You have those removable places, plenty of space to store everything that you need. And inside of your glove box, it does have that lock, and you can store all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Highlander Hybrid. Plenty of functional features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Highlander Hybrid. To open that power lift gate, simply hold that button on your fob there and it'll open up for you. It's a nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Now check out all of that space that's available to you, even though you have your third row seating installed. Underneath here you can find your storage for your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have additional storage for your tonneau cover. You have your cargo lamp on the side here for visibility. And why don't we fold these seats down and take a look at all the space that's opened up. Folding down that third row, you simply push that headrest down, you pull that tab, and the seats will drop down for you. Check out all that space you have to store everything that your family needs in the back of your Highlander. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. To reactivate that power lift gate, simply press that button up there. It'll warn you that it's coming down. On the exterior here, you can see that you have your rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have the option to lock your doors from the back, so you can simply walk away. You have your backup camera available below there. You also have that chrome skid plate and badging as we take one more look at the back of your Hybrid. Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Highlander Hybrid all-wheel drive XLE. Built right into your SUV is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you driving nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.